market Uptrend channel. If you are the foreign investor who is interested in Vietnamese stock market, this YouTube channel will provide the most objective information.
Fed may set the step at the end of interest rate hiking cycle for the first time since 1990. What it means for financial markets. U.S. financial markets are taking more caution approach as they forecast future Federal Reserve interest rate decisions after Chair Jerome Powell said policymakers will likely need to raise interest rates more than expected in response to recent strong economic data. On Wednesday, the second day of Powell's semi-annual monetary policy testimony before Congress, Trader of Fed Fund futures were pricing is an over 76% chance of a half percentage point hike in interest rates at the central bank March 21st to 22nd policy meeting. The Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, downshifting to a 25 basis point rate increase in January now appears to have been a mistake, and markets are now more taking a cautious approach as they forecast future policy decisions. Since 1990, the Fed has never started a step at the end of the rate hiking cycle. Powell's testimony today says the Fed is contemplating that now. We are accelerating from 25 to 50 basis point increases. The Federal Reserve has not made any decision on the size of potential interest rate hike later this month. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell says Wednesday, "We have not made any decision about the March meeting. We are not going to do that until we see the additional data," Powell said in testimony to the House Financial Service panel. The larger point, Powell said, is that the Fed is not a preset path. We will be guided by the incoming data and evolving outlook, he said. Powell released the February job report to be released Friday as a key piece of data, along with consumer and wholesale inflation data will be released before the Fed Interest Rate Committee March 21st to 22nd meeting. The Fed chair also pointed to January job openings and quit data released earlier Wednesday. The data shows some moderate easing the Thai labor markets, but progress is slow, economists said. Powell says no decision has been made on potential size of interest rate hike in March. We will be guided by the incoming data and evolving outlook, he said. Powell on Tuesday opened the door to a half-point rise rather than a quarter-point hike, while emphasizing incoming data would be the key to the decision. Job openings fall, but probably not by enough to make Fed happy. Job openings in U.S. fell in January to 10.8 million, but the high number of valuable jobs suggests the labor markets were still quite strong too.
Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to follow and subscribe this channel to update the latest news with Miss Market Uptrend. If you have any question, feel free to connect to Kakaotalk with us. Thank you.